Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review of a nail polish brand I came across on Instagram. So before I get into the review, this video is not sponsored and I bought all these items on my own accord with my own money. This is the look that I came up with once I got my order. The holographic color that I'm wearing, I don't think it's coming up on camera the way it is in person. But the holographic color I'm wearing is called Intergalosstic. These are 0.18 ounce bottles. Hopefully this gives you an idea of what the polish bottle sizes are. The blue color I'm wearing is this El Capitán color. And this is what the bottle looks like. When I went to buy my nail polish, the top coat for Floss Gloss was completely sold out over the holidays. So I ended up having to use some random like clear top coat I had in my closet. But it worked pretty well with the polish. And as I told you guys before in my previous videos, the nail glue I use to reapply my nails throughout the time I'm wearing them is the Kiss Brush On Nail Glue. Upon receiving my order, they also sent me a coupon to go and buy some more polish so I can go up there and get the top coat with this. The nails itself that I'm wearing is by this brand. I bought this off Amazon. But after 3 weeks of wear, guys, I would say that this polish is great. Even without being able to use the Floss Gloss top coat, the color haven't chipped or anything at all. The nails itself are great. I love these. It's really a shame that this holographic color isn't coming up the way it shows in person. Like when it's in the sunlight or something like that, it's so pretty. But indoor lighting does nothing for this color at all. I actually did do this set twice. So I would have extra nails if I needed it. Because like I told you, my job is really hands-on. So it's not that hard to lose a nail. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below. If you want me to do a nail supply video so I can go more in depth of what I use to come up with this look, I would definitely do that for you guys. So let me know. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video.